Pynkupburom nakaslem jong nongsan Hima.
Ka kinhun menteri ka jilla Meghalaya ha kasi thodiang kala menjur ya ka jingyo Khusnam Meghalaya Day Award 8,000 apun riu. Ya ka Khusnam Utirot Singh Award na kabenta ki kamshna dur bat ka tho katar an Aisha umelung unong tho bat unong penkalak tien bapaunam u Dr. Kinpham Singh Nongkenri. Ya kani ka Khusnam patugan en sangma na kabenta ki batre ha ka imlang salang an Pynkupburom ya Reverend Father Binoy Joseph na kabenta jong u bantay ya ka Mukti Data Multipurpose Cooperative Society tikri kila. Kakong rio olang dahar kalayo ya ka jing menjur banyo ya ka Khusnam ukyang nangba na kabenta ba kalayo ya ka nam ha ka FIFA Refereeing International List na kabenta usnem 8,000 apun rio ya ka Khusnam onsam ha ka sni rakhe Republic Day kabansawan.
We also would like to share that the government and the cabinet today has decided on the Meghalaya Day Awards 2026. So the Utirot Singh Award for Arts and Literature has been decided for Dr. K. S. Nongkenri, for the Pathogan N. Sangma Award for Social Services. The name of Father Binoy Joseph has been approved by the cabinet, and for Kyongnangba Award for Sports and Games, Srimati Riolang Dhar. Her name has been proposed and approved by the cabinet today. So these were the major decisions that were approved by the cabinet in terms of the formal items.